I just got the Salomon Speedcross 3 Satin Edition and I'm so excited to show you guys. These are a limited edition design for the Speedcross 3s, and when I saw it, I just knew that this was something that I really had to have. It's just so me and it's really such a vibe, I just knew I had to have it. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm trying to reach 5,000 subscribers next on this channel, so if these are the types of videos that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want to connect with me in my socials, it's at TrishDLF on Instagram. Today, I am wearing my hiking shirt because we are unboxing some hiking shoes. Hiking is the best plan. I actually really like hiking contrary to my interests. I love all the girly and cutesy things. That's why when I saw these shoes in this limited edition design, I just knew that this was the right colorway for me because it is very cutesy and girly. I used to just use my regular walking shoes like my New Balance 530s, or sometimes I would use running shoes. So I never actually invested in a pair of legitimate hiking shoes. But then when I saw this design, it just really spoke to me and I just felt like it was really me in a hiking shoe, so I knew that this was the perfect hiking shoe for my lifestyle. So without further ado, this is the Salomon Speedcross 3 in the Satin Edition. The Satin collection is from the Fall-Winter 2025 capsule. This is in the color Mahogany Rose, Black, Hazelnut. So without further ado, these are the shoes, and look at how freaking cute these are. So these are the sneakers, and guys, look at how freaking cute. Like, yes, they are hiking shoes, but it's so girly and dainty, and it's just really girly. That's why I really like it. I don't think you see these types of hiking shoes a lot. A lot of the hiking shoes these days tend to look very masculine. They're very bulky. They're kind of giving like dad shoes. So it's so refreshing to see a pair of pink hiking shoes with freaking ribbons, guys. Like, there's a ribbon here in the front, and there's another pink ribbon here near the toe box. And I just am so obsessed. These are just the cutest freaking hiking shoes. I've never seen anything as girly and cutesy as these. I'm gonna be honest, and I kind of waited for a while before I unboxed these shoes because I kind of wanted to gatekeep it. I didn't want anyone else to be able to get these shoes because I wanted to be the only person who had them. Obviously, that's not gonna be the case, but I just wanted to gatekeep them for as long as I possibly could. These are limited edition, so I kind of waited for them to go out of stock on the website first before I did an unboxing. So I did get these at SRP, which is really good because I know that resellers are kind of bumping up the price of these because they are limited. However, I got them early, so I was able to get myself an SRP pair. So for the details, it's just in this gorgeous pink color. This isn't Gore-Tex, so it's not waterproof. It just has your usual quick lace, which is what Salomon is known for. And what I just really love about these shoes are the feminine details. Like, I'll just do some close-ups, but as you can see, there's a ribbon in the front, which looks like it's part of the lace, but it's actually just the design. And on the tongue, it has this pink ruffly design. And I've never seen Salomon shoes look so feminine and girly, which is why I like it so much. Actually, in the capsule description, it's said to have some inspiration of like ballerina shoes, which I definitely agree on because even the shape of it, like if you just put it side by side, like the shape of these Speedcross 3s, it's not as bulky as like say the XT6. So it really gives a more feminine look, which is why I think the colorway and design of this really match the Speedcross 3s. The insole is also an ortholite, which makes it very comfortable. And for the sole, as you can see, it's the typical Speedcross 3 sole. And initially I was choosing between these Speedcross 3s and the XT Pathway 2, which also had a limited edition version for the Satin Capsule. So the XT Pathway 2, those were black with like a pink ruffle detail. So the Pathway 2s, I feel like they're more suitable for walking and for lifestyle. So initially I was thinking I might get those instead because I felt like they were more flexible for everyday use. Because the Speedcross 3s, they're mostly really just for trail running, which is why they have all these lugs. They have all these lugs mostly to accommodate the rugged trail. So especially because trails tend to have a lot of rocks, this sole was really meant to accommodate that type of terrain. But since I wanted to be able to wear these shoes for both lifestyle and hiking, I was kind of having second thoughts because because this is really more for hiking. However, when it came down to the design of it, this pink one versus the XT Pathway 2, which was black, I just really loved the vibe and the design of this more. It's just really cute. So as much as this type of sole isn't really for a lifestyle, I'm gonna make it work because I just know that I have to pair this with a lot of really cute outfits aside from just going hiking with them. Now for sizing, I got these in the women's 8 or a men's 7, and in UK sizing, this is a 6.5. For reference, in the New Balance 530s, I am a 6.5 men's. In Zara shoes, I'm usually a 39, and in Nike and Adidas, I'm usually a 7 youth or 7 men's. So for these Speedcross 3s, the 8 women's or 7 men's fits me just right. I heard that the Speedcross 3s are a little bit more narrow, so while I would fit in a 6.5 men's in these, I got a 7 men's instead just to accommodate the toe box and so I can wear thicker socks with it. However, I also do fit in the 6.5 men's of these. So that's about it. These are my Salomon Speedcross 3s in the Satin Capsule, and I'm just so excited because I finally have my own legit pair of hiking shoes, which I've never had before. And they're also in this amazing design and colorway. Let me know if you guys want a follow-up review on these after I've worn them for a while. I just know that I'm going to be the cutest hiking girly in these shoes. Now I can't wait for my next hiking trip because I am just dying to wear these out. So that's about it. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!